Welcome Blue Star School students. Last video we saw introduction to these chapters and I told you the topic which are going to come in this chapter. Now today we are going to see about exercise number 10.1 in practical geometry 7th maths. Let's start. Take your geometry note. This is your geometry note. Draw a margin first. Here write exercise number 10.1. Okay. This topic is construct parallel line. What do you mean by parallel line? It is nothing but two lines lying in the same plane are called parallel. If they never intersect even when they extended indefinitely in the both the direction. Okay, let's see the first sum. Write the question. Draw a line. Draw a line, say AB. Take a point C. Take a point C. Outside it. Through C, draw a line. Draw a line parallel to AB using ruler and compass. Ruler and compass only. Draw a line, say AB. Okay, first we have to draw a line segment AB. Then take a point C outside it. Okay, next we have to take any point on outside AB. Okay, first we have to draw a rough diagram. Rough figure. Draw a parallel line. It intersect two lines. Okay. Let me take, this is line AB. Next, let me take this line segment as PQ. PQ. Here PQ is parallel to line segment AB. This is intersecting point. Let me take Q. It is P. Diagram, we have to move the main diagram. First step, we have to draw a line AB, line segment AB. Here we can draw this one is A, this is B. What is the next step? Take any point Q. Q Q on line segment AB. So we have to mark a point here. Mark it as Q. Then we have to put a point P outside the line AB. So we have to mark here P. Next we have to join PQ. Join a point PQ. Next step we have to take the compass with Q as a center here, and any radius draw an arc AB. We have to draw one arc. This is point E, then PQ at F. Next, same radius, draw an arc with a center P. This is J. This point is I. Okay. Then to cut PQ. Okay. This point at G. We have to mark G. Next step, we have to place the pointed tip on the compass at E. Okay. Then adjust the compass EF. Then we have to G as a center, draw one arc. This arc is cut, the arc IJ. We have to mark, this is H. Then last step is we have to join PH. We have to join PH. Draw one line. We have to mark, this is C, this one is D. This is a main diagram. Next we have to move the construction. Take the left hand side, draw a margin, write the title, constructions, or we can written steps of construction. First step, what is the first step? We have to draw a rough diagram. Step 1 is draw a rough diagram. Draw a rough figure. Next step, step number 2. Draw a line AB. This is a second step to draw a main diagram. Next, step number 3. Take any point Q on the line AB and a point P outside AB. Next step, we have to draw a point P outside on the line AB and join PQ. This is here step number 3. Next, step number 4. With Q as center, and any radius draw an arc to cut AB at E and PQ at F. Next step, step number 5. With P as center, and same radius, draw an arc IJ to cut QP at G. This is next 3 steps, step number 6, step number 7 and step number 8. Next, we have to see the next sum in exercise number 10.2. Take a new page, draw a margin. Question number 2, write a question, draw a line L, draw a perpendicular line to L at any point on line L. On this perpendicular, choose a point X 4 centimeter away from point L through X, draw a line M parallel to L. Draw a line L. Draw a perpendicular to L at any point on L. On this perpendicular, choose a point X 4 cm away from L. Through X, draw a line M parallel to L. Okay, in this sum we have to draw one perpendicular line. Before that, let's see the rough diagram. Have to draw a rough diagram. This is line L. Let me take this one is M. This is point P. Intersect line is point P. This intersect line is X. This is perpendicular line, so it is 90 degree. This is line L. This also 90 degree. This is a rough diagram. Next we have to draw a main diagram. First we have to draw a line. Okay, any line, that is, this is line L. Then take any point P on line L. So here we can take this one is P. Then at P draw a perpendicular line. So we have to draw a perpendicular line through a line P. It is line N. Okay. Then next step is we have to take a compass and given length is 4. In given question, so we have to adjust the compass and pencil 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then place the pointer tip on the compass at P. Draw one arc, the line N. Okay. Then we have to extend this line. This intersecting line as X. We have to mark the point as X. Then at point X, draw one perpendicular line. That is M. This is line M. Okay. This is the length of line segment XP is 4 centimeter. This is 90 degree. This also 90 degree. Okay. Next we have to write the constructions of this sum. Steps of construction. Step 1. Draw a rough diagram. This is your first step. Second, draw a line L. Draw a line L. This is your second step. Next, third one. Step 3 is take any point P on line L. Next, step 4. Step 4 is at point P, draw a perpendicular line N. Next, step number 5. Place the pointer tip of the compass at P and adjust the compass of length 4 centimeter. Then draw an arc to cut this perpendicular at point X. Last step, step number 6. Step number 6 is at point X. Again, draw a perpendicular line M. Okay, today's homework is you can draw these first 2 sums in your homework note. Okay, thank you students.